Good morning, everyone. Myself, Ved Bangale, Assistant Professor, Department of IAC, Science Institute of Technology, Rajankonte, Bengaluru. In last video, we have discussed some of concept called correlated nested query. In correlated nested query, the attribute of the outer query will be referring by the other attribute in the inner query, right? And also we're going to use some of the keywords like contain keyword and the unique keyword and the exist keyword. If the content keyword is going to use means if the outer query value is going to compare with the inner query value. If the outer query is having a set of values, we're going to compare all set of values with the inner query values. There, that is the use of content. When come to exist keyword, the exist keyword is going to check whether the values exist in the given table. If the values exist, then the result is true. Otherwise, the result is false. It's going to check the whether the correlated nested query output is empty or not. And unique keyword, if the result of the correlated nested query is having a duplicate value, repeated value is there on the output. If you use the unique keyword, it will not allow the duplicate. It's going to remove the duplicacy from the output of the correlated nested query. This is what we have seen in the last video with some of them, a few examples. Now we're going to start with a new concept called explicit set and rename of attribute itself. Explicit set means what? Here in nested query, we are going to write the outer query in the where clause. Instead of writing the outer query in the where clause, if we know the set of values, if you know the set of values, instead of writing the query in the where clause as outer query, we are going to directly assign those values in the where clause. For example, retrieve the social security number of all employees who work on project number 123. We know in the query already have given project number 123. Just we need to, with the help of this project number, we need to retrieve the social security number of the employees. So, no need of writing the query in order to retrieve the project number 123 because we already know the result of the outer query. So with the help of this result, we are going to retrieve the inner query result. So select distinct ESSN. So distinct means if the ESSN is having the duplicate values, the distinct keyword will not take a duplicate value to consider the value only once. That is the main use of distinct keyword. So select distinct ESSN from works on table works on table because on the works on table we have social security number information. So on works on table where project number in 123. So instead of writing the new query, it is outer query here, you're directly giving the set of values in the where clause. That is what the explicit set says. It is possible to rename any attribute by adding as followed by the desired new name. So if you want to rename any of the values, if any of the attribute name, we're going to use the as keyword. So example, select e dot l name as employee name. Instead of writing the l name, we can replace it with the employee name. So we can rename the attribute value also, and also we can rename the entity name also, this relation name also. So select e dot l name as employee name, s dot l name as supervisor name, from employee has e, employee has s, where e dot super SSN equal to s dot super SSN. So next is join tables in SQL and outer joins. So join table in second module we have used the join operation like outer join, inner join. The main use of join operation in order to join two tables with the help of some attribute name or attribute values. After joining the two tables, we're going to retrieve the information from those tables. The basic use of join operation is that we want to, if the query is asking a query demanding to retrieve the information from both tables, from two tables. So in order to retrieve the information that is as a result from the two table, there you're going to use the keyword called join operation. So the concept of a joint table or joint relation was incorporated into SQL to permit user to specify a table resulting from a join operation in the form clause of a query. It select first name, last name, address from employee, join department on department number equal to department number. Join employee, we are going to join the employee table in the department table. How are we going to join? We are going to join with the help of department number attribute because these two attributes are there in the employee table and department table. This attribute is acting as a foreign key department table primary key in the department table, and this acting as a foreign key in the employee table. With the help of primary key and foreign key, we go into join those two tables, and we can retrieve the D name is equal to research. Means employee who are working on the research department, we can take the employee's first name, last name, and address. Attribute of the first table, employee followed by all attribute of the second table, department. Right? So